These are the preview exercises for lesson 18 in college algebra. Okay, I have a equation with x's and y's. I just want to solve it for y. So I'm going to say subtract 9 from both sides, and I have 4y equals x minus 9, and then divide both sides by 4. So y equals x minus 9 over 4. And then 2, the concept of inverse may be more familiar to you than you realize. So many actions from our everyday life can be undone or reversed. For example, how would you describe the inverse or undoing of the following actions? Put on your sock, put on your shoe, tie your shoe. Okay, so you start with a bare foot, put on your sock, put on your shoe, tie your shoe. Your undo actions, you have to start by untie shoe, remove shoe, remove sock, and end with a bare foot. So we had to undo things in the reverse order that we did them. And similar to undoing everyday life processes, an inverse operation in mathematics involves the idea of one operation undoing or reversing what was done by a previous operation. Okay, so if we start with a 2, we're going to multiply it by 3. So the result is 6. Okay, and then to undo it, we divide by 3, and we end with a 2. When we perform an inverse operation in mathematics, we get back to where we started. That is, we make a round trip. So let's continue this undoing or reversing idea and find the inverse of the following. Subtract 1 from x and multiply the result by 3. So we're starting with an x, we're going to subtract 1, and then we're going to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. And then to undo, we undo in the reverse order that we did. So we're going to divide by 3 to undo the multiplication by 3. And then we're going to add 1 to undo the subtraction. Okay? And we have to undo in the reverse order that we did.